Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the world of FireStick customization with a step-by-step guide on how to install the Atomic Matrix Kodi Build. If you're looking to enhance your FireStick experience with a sleek interface and tons of streaming options, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. First things first, before we can install any third-party builds like Atomic Matrix, we need to enable apps from unknown sources on our FireStick device. Here's how you do it. Go to the home screen of your FireStick and navigate to Settings at the top. Scroll right and select My Fire TV or Device, depending on your FireStick version. Click on Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources if it's off. Don't worry, this is necessary to install any Kodi build safely. Step 2. Install Downloader app. To download and install the Atomic Matrix build, we'll use the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed yet, here's how you can get it. From the FireStick home screen, go to the search icon in the top left corner. Type in Downloader and select it from the list of suggestions. Click on Download and wait for it to install. Once installed, open the Downloader app. Step 3. Download Atomic Matrix Kodi Build APK. Now that we have the Downloader app ready, let's download the Atomic Matrix Kodi Build APK file. In the Downloader app, click on the URL field. Enter the following URL. Click Go and wait for the download to complete. Step 4. Install Atomic Matrix Kodi Build. Great job so far. Now, let's install the Atomic Matrix Kodi Build on your FireStick. Once the APK file is downloaded, Downloader will prompt you to install it. Click on Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few moments. Step 5. Launch and enjoy Atomic Matrix Kodi Build. Awesome. You've successfully installed the Atomic Matrix Kodi Build on your FireStick. After installation, click on Open to launch the Atomic Matrix Kodi Build. Allow it some time to build menus and update add-ons. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once done, you'll see the home screen of Atomic Matrix with various categories and add-ons ready to use. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've learned how to install the Atomic Matrix Kodi Build on your FireStick. Now you can enjoy a customized streaming experience with tons of content at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming with Atomic Matrix on your FireStick.